Welcome everyone to another video. I hope everyone had a great April. This is what I found for the month of April. We are in March already, like March 3rd I think, somewhere around there. And yeah, it's time for April haul, what I found in my hunt. So I'm gonna start off with the goodies, the treasure hunts. And I have 3 of these in 69 Chevelles. Not really a big fan of them, but nevertheless, it is a treasure hunt regular. Got 3 of these. There you go. One of them was found by my dad, and the other 2 were by me. Found them at I think Walmart. Let's go with the next treasure hunt over here on this side. This is one of my favorite castings, the twin mill in gold with purple rims, black and purple rims. Very cool. This is also a regular treasure hunt. The Zamac Dodge Charger, awesome, very cool. In police form, this is the police car, Dodge Charger, awesome. And another special one is this one, because I've been trying to look for all of them. The Matchbox with the opening door. There's the opening door. And this is the 2000 Nissan Xterra with the opening door in the back. I had 2, but I had to leave 1 behind. My son wanted a chocolate, so you know, priorities. Didn't mind. You know, I just needed 1 for the collection. And we got 2 of these Motosaurus that we found in HEB. There were 2 for $1.50, I think. And my son wanted 1 for him and 1 for his little brother, so we got these for them, for the kids. Next one, already have this one. This is the custom 72 Chevy Luv in green. 64 Chevy Chevelle SS, also have it. My dad got these last 2 for me, and he also got this one for me. He found this one, was also looking for it. Custom 64 Volkswagen Squareback in a very awesome color, purple. And in blue, the Dark Knight Batmobile. Had to get it. I don't have this particular color, so there it is. Got it. Justice League Batmobile. I don't remember why I got this one, but I don't think I have it. And if I do, well, I got 2. It's fine. 87 Dodge D100 in a brown with orange stripes on the side and in beige color with the logo Mopar on the door, and we have a wheel in the back. This is like an off-road type of truck. Very cool. Don't have that one. Not a super, but still a very great model to have. Corvette Grand Sport Roadster in yellow, number 2 on the door and on the right side of the hood, or passenger side of the hood, in yellow, black bottom. This is a very beautiful car. Porsche Panamera in red. It says police on the side. Has a blue big stripe, blue wheels, blue hood. Very cool. From the Ridgeline, like Porsche's SRT Viper G75R. Very beautiful color in blue. Have a lot of tampos on the side. Awesome. Mazda Repu, not the Super neither, but it is a very beautiful truck to have in marine blue with a little bit of a yellow strip in the bottom, and it has a 15 number on the door. Awesome. Ducati 1189 Panigale or Panigale, however you want to pronounce it. Love motorcycles, so here is another one for the collection. Volkswagen Gulf GTI, yellow, awesome color, awesome interior with red, and it says Momo. It has that logo from the brand Momo, very cool. Lamborghini Countach police car, very awesome Lamborghini, and of course black with white, that police the traditional police colors. How to get that one. 65 Mustang 2+2 Fastback in white and with a little bit of purple, very cool. Temples on the side, 2 racing stripes and on the top of the car, the hood, and in the trunk. 67 Chevelle SS 386, very beautiful color, very beautiful casting. Metal bottom, those wheels and those temples on the side, awesome. Nissan Skyline 2000 GT-R. Now this is a very beautiful car. This is the third one I got, but the first 2 that I obtained, I gifted them to one of my collector buddies. We went to go get our suits fitted for his wedding, and gifted my boy that Skyline. They like Skylines a lot, so there you go. Kool Kombi. This is. Who's there? Who goes there? Who goes there? It's Noah.
No!
It's not Noah, it's the monster.
Hey.
Hi.
What are you doing?
Hey?
What are you doing?
Making a video.
Why? We don't have one? We don't have one?
What happened?
Yeah?
Go close the door. My son just bursted into the room.
Then I have one. Oh. Me Batman means
Yeah. Okay. No, don't move the camera. Okay. Okay. You can sit down there. So this is from the Urban Outlaw in blue. Very cool. The Kool Kombi, the Volkswagen line. My dad also got this for us, so we're gonna add it to the collection. What did you find, buddy? What did you find? Oh, cool.
Mario.
57 Chevy in flames, awesome. That's one of my favorite lines to collect. Black with yellow flames, side ends, yellow wheels, not tires, just the wheels. 66 Chevy Nova, one of my dad's favorite cars, or the favorite car, in bright red and white flames with a little bit of yellow on the tips of the flames. They also go across the hood and the top of the roof of the car and on the whole side. The back tire is pretty cool because it's like kind of covered, halfway covered with the fender. Pretty cool detail. Chrome bottom, another my favorite. And now we're gonna go with Matchbox. Hold on. ¿Ese Mario no jala? No, porque no tenemos este Nintendo. No lo tenemos esto para ponerlo, no lo tenemos.
Is that TV?
¿Eh?
Is that TV?
No cabe en la TV. What he's talking about? He saw this on my counter. Mario for the Super Nintendo, and he wants to play it, but we don't have the Super Nintendo. So here you go, buddy. We can't play it. You want to play Mario? Yeah. Ese es para el Super Nintendo. No tenemos el Super Nintendo. Mira, we'll go get batteries. We'll put the Wii. Pero not today, tomorrow. Porque no tenemos batteries. We don't have batteries. Go close the door. No. Ahí déjalo. Go close the door.
No. With that.
¿Ves si cierra la puerta?
No.
¿Ves si cierra la puerta? 56 Jaguar XK 140 Roadster.
It's mine.
This is tuyo?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. This is a beautiful car in black. Is the 2008 Holden VE UTE SSV. Has a long name. Pretty cool truck. They found 2 of these, so I picked them up. Here's another one. Here's the second one. Honda Ridgeline. Awesome. Truck in gray. Had to pick it up. Thought it was pretty cool. From Matchbox. That's the last one from Matchbox. And lastly is this one right here, Hot Wheels character cars, the Minecraft. So this is the Iron Golem with the movable thing in the front, the forklift. So far we have these two. No hay nada ahí adentro. So far we have the Iron Golem and the Spider, and we're trying to get all of them, but slowly but surely. There it is. So that is the haul for April. And this is the haul, the complete haul for April for me. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe and like the video. If you have any comments, leave them in the comment feed below. I would be happy to comment back. Have a good one and good luck hunting. Peace.